Bannange ebya Mina the Queen mukyala wa Aviator mwabitegedde ag'omunkubo gagamba imbu Mina waffe yatuzaalidde omwana yazaalidde bbawe omwana era nga waliwo omuwala eyeeyita Die Hard waabwe bwe yavuddeyo n'akola ka trendi akaliko ng'ataddeko Mina nga ayina omwana. Kino nno kiyinza okuba tekyasanyusiza Mina kubanga awo amawulire kirabika we gatandikidde okutambula ne wabaawo omukyala eyavuddeyo n'akakasa abantu bonna nti nno Mina the Queen azadde. Naye njagala ombuuze we byatuuse ku Mina the Queen yasanyuse oba nedda. Mina the Queen yavuddemu omwasi era nga ebigambo byayogedde si biwoomu yadde n'omulundi n'ogumu eri abo ababadde beeyita bafaani betekako ne bakalabalaba abaagala okumanya ebifa mu makaage biki byakoze n'omwami we. Yabaddiza omuliro era ng'obutambi bwe tugenda kubanga tubuteekawo wano wennyini mumwewulirireko ye ng'omuntu ng'alina kyagamba abantu yababuuziza. Nali mbategeezezaako nti ndi lubuto lwaki muvayo ne mugamba abantu nti nno nazadde nga sinnaba kuzaala ako kamanyiiro ate nga Uganda temuggwa ono omwana yakafumbirwa. Recently yakitegera nti nno abantu abaali bazze ku mukolo gwe bonna baali si basanyufu olw'okuba omwana ono agenda kufumbirwa era nga mu mukolo gwe mwasangibwamu eddagala ekyamu eriri mu bintu bye bamuwanga ekirabo. Eddagala eryo liba lirina kye litegeeza era ng'eddagala eryo lisobola okusiba omwana ono okuzaala, lisobola okusaanyaawo obufumbo bwe, lisobola okuteekawo misunderstandings n'omuntu oyo gwali mu kwagala, lisobola omubuza okuganja eri abantu ne bamukyawa babadde bamwagala, lisobola omuleetera okuba nga akunta. Ebintu by'eddagala mubitegeera, ebintu by'amalogo mubitegeera nga we bikola. Omuntu asobola okuleeta eddagala ng'alireetedde ensonga ndala, eddagala ne lyekyanga ne likola ebirala, lisobola n'okubuza ssente mu maka. Omuntu n'olaba nga muggwawo ne nga tomanyi ensonga, eryo nno ly'eddagala. Yenze Adita ayagala okunkubirako nsangaayo nnyo bulungi wali eri ku Instagram page yange nkozesa Sheila Adita page, wabula ng'ate infollowinga ku mitimbagano gyange gyonna nga nkozesa Sheila Adita page, ate subscribinga ku YouTube channel yange nteekayo videos ennungi zotalina kusuba nga gwe eyasubscribinga. Katugendeko mu katambi ka Mina the Queen nga mawulire gamutuuseeko ate era tumale tukomewo.
Don't come here with your half news at all bibuzanza. Nzabi kugambi. Nimbu you gave birth na kaguza nyo. Did I even tell you I was pregnant? Mudeyo jemuja news wamma. Mudeyo baba gambi. That's busungu. You cannot just come up and say things because in the name of content or yogira bintu. Eh, this has happened. Shut your mouth. Kola bidara, do we talk about you? Temunko yabo. Utabumpa.
Tinko.
Wenoga kumpaki.
So, inapita kuzao.
Mpananka mpa earring.
Aitini.
Hi dear, inshallah I'll be nalongo. I will be no, I'm not annoyed. I'm really not annoyed. I really understand the struggle of having content. But at least try to speak the truth. You wait of the right news. Then know you get your money. You cannot just come up and you start speaking anyhow, vagrantly. Don't speak anything.
The way
and you know the funny thing is they're going to do all of them and post none. That is the problem. Where is the baby? Where is the baby?
I'm the baby.
Get all it. Kula ni kidoli kyangu.
Mara makatoa.
Hati ni mubanja. Mimi wherever you are, hati ni kubanja. Who told you to take it? That is my baby. Now people are asking me, where is the baby? Where is it? I don't have. Then I can. Then I can.
The kuchukaka kanaboka, where is the baby?
I
don't think that the dolly is deep. Akamuka nyekiro kazanga neruba. Dolly. Akagitwa.
Aliendi yona.
Where is the baby? Say the baby.
You don't have. I have my brothers. I have them. I have my brothers. 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 Bananka abakuruga UK. My brother. You don't have any friend from UK? Me, I do. I have Mona, Derek. You know them? You know Mona and Derek? They're my friends and I knew UK. I have Tronella. Hello. Hello, Tronella. You're my friend from UK.
I'm also from UK. And I'm your friend.
Friends from Uganda. These ones. They're not giving.
So your friend.
Like the guy. Laila, 5 minutes to wait there, honestly.
Oh, let me see your power.
Someone tell my baby I want him. Somebody tell my baby I want him. In-law. Njagala manyo yo power. Baby, I will say
In-law, where are you?
Akimanya niño. But it's not even me, it's Laila calling you. Kimani, babe, when you come, please send in your invite because I do not see it. Nani mpupa? Nice girl. Nice. Tuna fun. Buli kaka kaba ina fun. Ekajia. Sankara kaba igine. Ati kuseketi you. Betu wili sankara kaba ina fun. Wama sankara kaba ina fun. Mpaka alo. Wama sankara tolo.
Ting kagirora.
Ekabero. Nyonka giro.
Alo.
Mpaka. Oba.
Era nga tukyali kuba Aviators munnange abaana baneno baavudde ne babeera nga beeraga omukwano ku TikTok live we beekubiddeko ku simu ne bajja live ne babeera nga boogerako eri abantu bano no beeraze omukwano ogw'ekimemmete ng'oyinza okugamba baakeefuna oyinza okugamba baakasooka okweraba okuli omwana mulenzi okuvaayo n'abeera ng'ayogerako eri mukyala we kati nno kino kyasanyudde nnyo abantu ababafolowinga kubanga baagala nnyo okubalaba nga bali bombi oba kaŋŋamba Uganda baagala nnyo ebintu by'omukwano ebintu bya laavu kyokulaba ennaku zino omukwano omufere mungi nnyo abasajja bafera nnyo abakazi omukwano najja gy'oli nga jjidde mu mbeera ya mukwano naye nga in actual sense takwagala naye nga azze kuzanyira mu kubwongo azze kukolaakola bintuntu amala abeere nga akuswaza ebintu ebyo mubirabyeko ebintu ebigenda mu ttuluba ly'omukwano wabula ate ekyatukakasa nti nno Aviator ayagalira ddala Mina kwekkeera ku makya nga bakeera bamukabanga katono nnyo n'asitula mukyala we n'amutwala e Dubai gye bakolera n'abeerayokko naye omukazi n'avayo nga bwadde waka bwakoma obwadde waka nga bwakomoka tugambe ekyalinga kijja Mina e Dubai okuddayo e Uganda kwalinga kutegeka mukolo nga tetumanyi kwalinga kutegeeza bakadde nti bannange am seeing someone oba kwalinga kubeera nga agezaako connectinga to families zibeera nga zeemanyi eya maama we eya famire ye nga ye omwana teekako ne famire y'omwami we kiyinza okuba nga kisoboka ze byonna nabigattamu kubanga baali bakasinkana akaseera katono nnyo mu myezi mitono nnyo munnange mikolo gya kwanjula yennika yembaga munnange byonna ne biggwa ekyo nno kyakakasa abantu bonna nti nno omuvubuka ono yali serious nga ayagala kusetolinga kufuna mukyala we amutuuze ewaka omukyala omukyotala ate era akasinza okunyumira kwe ye Aviator okugamba mukyala we n'amuwaana ku live n'amugamba banange oyina enviiri ennungi obutambyawo bona we mugenda kubanga mbokuterawo abaagala n'abaneeno nga beeraga omukwano ku videos zino muzirabeko muzinyumire nga mmwe ababaagala ennyo zibanyumire katugendeko mu butambi bwabwe ate atukomeo tubeere nga tufundikira video.
How are you?
I'm handsome and married. How are you?
I'm not. Lela is saying I'm single.
No, you're married.
And she's taking okra.
For what?
I don't know.
She's too young for that.
Can you imagine someone just doing bad things to Lila?
Oh, Mary, that's so bad.
Why you cooking okra?
Maybe it's wrong in all positions. Like she's not supposed to take this okra because you know why.
How old is she?
20.
20. Oh man, she's a baby.
Didn't you do it when you're 20, you bamba?
No.
Maybe you can lie.
Oh my God. Okay.
Someone is trying to protect Laila Mbuno. It clears the skin. But we all know why. But let's keep quiet and hope for the best.
As if we don't know.
I'm Sonia.
So,
babe,
yeah.
I'm good. How are you? So you've just found that the messages of how is the baby, where is the baby is crying. Wow. Baba Gambia nazadde jo kati ndi wano navudde already mudwaliro. Ngamba ndi mukambwe.
Oh my God.
That is what is happening. Someone has told the whole world the way we've given birth. And we have a baby girl apparently.
Damn.
So, I don't know where the baby is.
They are just anticipating, and people who don't have what to do, they are just spreading the rumors. And that's
You're going to put our parents in heart attack.
I know, right?
You tell God the truth for once.
Why are you so beautiful though?
Because I'm married.
I know, right? That's a good one. Of you inspire her.
Yeah.
They be like that.
Oh, I love your hair.
Really? It's like
Yes.
it's like a big sponge.
You know, the average majority of girls have like wigs and weaves, and when they go to
Like
stage, they dismantle themselves.
They don't do that.
And they put the wigs on the high. And I have one question though. So when they are doing Scooby-Doo and they're holding the hair, it doesn't move.
You bam bam. Baby, you're bad.
Imagine someone pulling off the wig.
But there are those nice wigs. They actually, even though you pull it off, it can't come off.
No.
Yes.
It can't.
It can't. Like it can't come off.
It can't. There's no wig
No,
or wig
honestly.
that can't come off.
Babe, they're very expensive wigs, and then there are those wigs from
So,
our Netherlands.
babe, some
I
men
mean
have
Netherlands.
some men have a strong grip. They can hold the wig and sweet. It goes like, wee.
Why are you holding someone's daughter like that?
Oh, when they say they want it rough, that's what happens.
Then you of course you know the person is not having hair, is having a wig.
No, but how do we know? You'll be like, it's natural. It's Brazilian. And then that's what? That's what you get.
You're bad.
Wait. Someone called Rashmi said, but you guys, you're going to a beautiful baby. If it's a girl, beautiful baby boy. Okay.
If it's a
Whichever
girl,
gender will
baby
have-
boy,
I don't know the English that was like that. So, why all the energy? Boy child never tried it with our queen. Huh?
try what? Did I
The
tell
energy.
you?
Say that again. Say that again.
No, thank you. If you didn't hear it, it's past.
Me too, I didn't hear.
You go away with your big head. I will not take.
So, I saw a meme. It say, girls who do repair for your hair. It's not a car. Stop doing the repairs.
I don't know what's wrong with you today. I'm just attacking other people. The CBD. Oh.
Is your head a car? Why would you do repair?
Oh, it's a bicycle.
It's a bicycle.
Baby, no bambi, okay? Leave them.
Okay, I'm done. What? Okay. Why would you do repair?
Because if like a filter, is it a filter? It's the thing for the babies.
I don't know which one is that.
The one that makes babies, that makes someone look like they've given birth. Like someone made a video of me having a baby, but that person is not me, and the baby, I don't know who the baby is.
All right, I see. But overall, you're fine.
I'm good. My sister is in love with the TikToker. What advice do you have for her?
Mina,
this one.
Wait, she can hear me?
Yeah.
Listen, they're not serious. She's lying?
Yeah.
I'm not. You know I never lie, right?
Who is that boy?
Somebody on TikTok.
Give me a name. Let me just search that. Give me a name.
Yeah?
Give me a name.
The car. Leave me. Let me not be the one to spill that tea.
I'm gonna be sure that ring clearly, Mrs. Nyanzi.
Because of why?
Because of what you
Bagala kuna gold mutofu or gold ya fading.
That's all what I wabula. This thing even rabbit with steel wire.
That's gold right there. Emubako mukazi wange mpita magana gitunda bannaye njabba n'onyamba kube mpita mu GPS.
Hey. Why did you ask me where I am?
Because I wanted to confirm the location. So,
yes,
braids.
yes, I'm Auntie.
Who is Amot? Wait, are you a boy?
I'm a boy. You've been knowing that. What do you want? Well, my baby, I'm a boy.
I know, right?
She's
Who
saying
you're not a boy? You are not.
I'm wanting. I have 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, but for now, since we're in the public, I'm a boy.
Not the public, I already know.
Babes. You know. That we're gonna have a baby soon. After 10 years, and the baby will look like me.
The baby will look like both of us.
Exactly.
But the baby looks like Laila.
Sigenda kulia kati mupeme dakika nga 3. Nja kulia. Yeah. Now, babe, I have to eat. They're like, I need to eat food. I think it's time to feed the baby. Me. I don't want to leave you though.
Someone is saying you blocked them.
Yeah, because they're being stupid. That's why I blocked them.
Yeah.
I don't just block people. If you become a camel, I block you. If you become a stagfulullah, I block you. That's it.
No.
Oh, I met people yesterday. Babes, I didn't tell you. Yesterday they invited me in a club to make an appearance. I did. You have a lot of fun. Oh my God, I like Mina. I love you. I forgot her name. What was her name? I forgot it. She was crying. I love you. I love you. And I'm like, okay. Don't cry. They might think I'm
Then I would
dating
slap
you.
the jaws and even slap the ghost.
No. She likes you, not me. Babe.
But she's crying for you.
No, she's crying for you. Why?
Healing for 2 years. My friend, years are not waiting for you. You're not sick. Get another person.
So what if they have babies and they don't take them for you?
Which babies? Other babies, but they were babies.
Because you are getting so many people and then in the process you may have babies.
Well, that's another thing now. That's like a different case.
All right,
You
so
see?
what would you...
See this one? This one is saying that they've been healing 3 years. What are you healing? Is the other person sick like you? You see, you be healing for more years when the other person even they call you for their wedding. Nga, you're still healing. Don't heal that long. Heal for 2 days or one and go back to the struggle.
Motivational speaker.
Omukambwe.
Oh,
Don't heal.
lero.
Nanti munange, babe. For you like, would you heal for 3 years?
I will heal the next minute.
Exactly. Heal and go back to the struggle.
But wait,
The person you're thinking about.
But though, babe, that depends who broke your heart. It's different.
What is that?
Now, for
Everyone is
instance, if you break my heart, I'll break every girl's heart. All of you. Payback.
But you still don't heal for 2-3 years.
Well, I heal the next minute though.
Yeah,
Then,
that's what I'm saying.
in the due course, I'll definitely do. See, it's not about revenge though, or do something weird because
That would be like a rebound. Like you don't be doing things
no,
that
it's
you mean.
not. It's not like a rebound, but it's more of like.
You don't want to be in my video. Everyone gets scared of me in here in this house. They never want to get close to my phone.
Oh my.
Because once they're in, someone might record somewhere and Abyogede.
Oh yeah, that's true.
That was a genuine laugh. Oh,
I love your eyebrows.
thank you.
Think about this. It's December. Okay, I'm gonna slap someone. You better put your earphones in. You laugh. Hi. You laugh like a cockroach. Alright.
Babe, you're saying something?
Picture this, okay? It's December.
Mm-hmm.
It's raining outside. We're in the sitting room watching Insignia coffee. The kids are sleeping. It's a great time. We're both happy.
Okay.
Laying in the couch. No. With the...
Baby, when this December?
It's December.
We're going to be having kids already.
It's February.
That would be so quick.
I need you here in February so that December find us with a kid.
Okay.
You better bring yourself here right now.
I'm coming, babe. C-U-M.
I see you very, very soon.
C-U-M, I mean the coming of C-U-M.
kansuubire abantu abali mu mukwano obutambi bwabwe mubulabye. Nze njagala nnyo abantu abeeyagala munange. Omuntu wasalawo n'akuteresa omutima gwe naawe oyo gw'ogutereseza n'aba ng'awulira kyekimu ekintu ekyo kyezaamu amaanyi. Munnange nze nga Adita sifunangako chansi yakubeera mu mukwano era simanyi bwe gubeera. Ye simanyi bwe gubeera. Nze buli muntu ajja mu bulamu bwange abeera mufere. Mbabuulira kino, buli ajja mu bulamu bwange abeera mufere, abaako ne kyanjagalako. Era bwe kigaana ogenda okumulaba ng'adduka oyogera naye leero nga mwogedde ku bintu ebikulu, si bino bintu bya kisirusiru. Mwogedde ku bintu ebikulu, mutandise okwemanya mpola mpola. Toyinayo kikyamu ky'oyogedde kibi nnyo. Omuntu oyo ng'adduka bw'alaba nga tomwanguyiza. Naddala baatandika bino ndagaako, weekubeyo ekifaananyi, ndaga kabina, ndaga kasolo, simanya ndaga kiwato, ndaga ebbeere. Ebyo kasita ogaana omulundi ogusooka omuntu oyo ng'adduka. Kino kyensiiba mbategeeza. Omusajja ajjira mu ttuluba lya ndagaako. Nkubire simu, simanya tugende babiri mu kinaabiro onaabe ng'akulaba. Simanya ogende ofuke ng'akulaba. Simanya kola bino ng'akulaba. Simanya tukoleyo omukwano gw'oku simu. Simanya weeteekeyo engalo. Weekole bino. Oyo omusajja abeera takwagala. Manya toli seefu. Era bw'ajjiramu eryo ettulu olunaku lw'ogaanye, omusajja otagenda kwesibako, tagenda kukuddira era agenda kudduka. Kati nno kyekiri ewange, nze buli ajja n'ontunuza mu ttuluba eryo, bwe nkugamba nti sigenda kukikola olunaku lwaleero n'enkeera, baba tebagenda kudda. Ekindeetera okumanya nti nno bano baba bafere balaavu, bantu bakyamu baagala kukozesa nsobi, kwe banaakukwatira, kwe banaabeera nga bakukontrolingira all the time. Buli ddakiika abeereko kyakugamba, ogaane akutiisetiise n'obwo obutambi, kubanga babukwata. Mubulabye nnyo obutambi bwa bannaffe. Basalake mubalabye, Barahma the Rapper mubalabye, Bazzaru mubalabye, Basheira Gashumba mubalabye, Baflavia Namuli, Baflavia abakola ku TV mubalabye. Obutambi bwabwe bwe bwafuluma ne babuteekayo nga bali mu bintu by'ekisiru, ebintu by'okwepiica ku masimu. Obutambi obwo mwabulaba. Mubeere very careful. Yenze Shila Adita kamanye ndowooza yo nga buyambisa comment section embaagala nnyo.